Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 7 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the knockSensorModule. I'll use the Fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the knockSensor and rgbLED module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 5 to 12 jumper wires. Place the knockSensor module on the breadboard somewhere towards the middle, then place the rgbLED module on the breadboard towards the top. For the knockSensor, connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 8, connect the middle pin to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. For the rgbLED module, connect the pin labeled B to digital pin 12, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO, so open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select the Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Then upload the following 18 lines of code. Pick up the platform about 4 to 6 inches from the table and let it drop. This drop will knock the sensor into activating. The knock sensor contains a metallic coil that bends and flexes when a strong vibration or knock occurs. When the coil bends, it makes contact with a thin metal plate and closes the circuit. This allows for a change in voltage, which is what we are looking for. This change triggers the LED, letting us know the knock sensor has been activated. Try modifying the code. Add a for loop to the section of code that triggers the LED to flash multiple times to get our attention, and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.